The cutest thing, coming to get the baby out of his bed. Hey! Did you wake up? Did your baby wake up? It's time to eat, baby boo. Did you have a good nap? Are you hungry? You're so hungry you're gonna eat your hand off now? Oh, look at that big boy standing up in his crib. Alright, say goodbye. We're gonna go eat lunch now.